The morning felt poison, a hollow echo under bone. Every step I took was silent, as if the world left me alone. Faces blurred like dying flames, running from the past they fear. But I walked in colder shadows, where the truth cuts crystal clear. The old man stood before me, his stare colder than decay. He placed a mask into my hands, a relic stripped of day. Fate won't knock, he whispered, it enters when you break. Then the street devoured him slowly, like he was never awake. Midnight tore itself open like a wound beneath the skin, a shaking on torn paper, a voice dragging me in. The mask exhaled its darkness, breathing hunger into air, and the world I knew fell silent, as if it never cared. Obsidian descent, pull me down the spiral black, where shadows speak in riddles and no light ever answers back. I fell into a realm where faces run in place, and destiny watches quietly from a cold, forgotten space. Stein stared at the trembling pen, fear carved deep in his eyes. A broken little goblin, but braver than the lies. He watched the darkness follow me and still stood by my side. In a land that eats the weak, he chose not to hide. Inside the demon's cavern, bones whispered ancient sins. Chains rattled like dead memories, inviting what begins. The mask consumed the silence, drank the darkness drop by drop, and Sigma rose like a serpent, edging far